What's up, guys? I just got back from town getting new tires put on. The Duramax here. Went with the Toyo Open Country AT3s in a 33 by 12.5. And this truck has got, the front end is turned up a little bit. Rear end has got a little bit of a lowering to it so that it sits level without sacrificing too much ride quality. And yeah, these 33s fit perfectly in here. There's no rubbing anywhere. And it just really gives it a nice, more aggressive look versus the factory highway tires that were on this thing. And yeah, I don't know, these things, I don't know what it is about these, but the tread on these looks a lot wider than the 12.5 wide tires I've had in the past. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these things out on the farm. Got the tread on these things. Got some pretty decent voids on them. I mean, I can just about fit my finger in between them. I can in this void, so it should give me some good traction in the off-road, doing some off-road stuff with them. But yeah, on the ride home, I mean, they look pretty aggressive, but they don't make a lot of road noise that I could notice anyways. Another thing I'm really excited about to try on these things is towing with them this winter. Every winter I go on snowmobile trips, pull a enclosed trailer with 4 snowmobiles in it. And last season was the first season I had this pickup. And parking lot out there got stuck out in the Bighorns with this thing and the factory skinny tires. Had to get towed around out there. I'm hoping this season, if there's any towing that has to be going on, I will be in the front doing the pulling instead of being the one pulled. So really looking forward to that. And then I live out in the middle of nowhere. When it rains out here, the gravel roads out here just turn to slime, so the old tires sliding around all the time. These things, pretty excited to see how they handle it. Should be a massive improvement over what I had before. So yeah. But man, I love the way these look on here. Just the right size. The one thing I noticed surprisingly is I didn't take a big hit on my fuel economy, at least according to the dash. We'll see how that goes in the future.